Okay, so open this up. Boiler on the outside looks nice and clean, but of course what we've got on the inside here is a fair bit of dust and soot. So possibly when your boiler gets to a level of soot concentration that's like this, you might want to start cleaning this. Now, the golden rule with these things is you clean them from the top down. These ports or holes here, or galleries, whatever you want to call them, the heat exchanger ports, you've got to clean them out with a brush, which I'll just demonstrate right here. Push it all the way to the end and back, and of course you've got your mask on and so on. So you continue cleaning these out. Now, you again would normally start from the top. Okay, so clean all the top ports, in and out a few times, and then you would move down to the bottom. Okay, now the next thing is all the dust obviously gravitates down. You would remove the internal fire bricks just from the top, and then you get your brush in and you give these heat exchanger ribs a good clean. Now again, all the dust is falling down. Okay, now the dust that builds up in this combustion chamber, you've probably only got to clean it once every 6 months. A lot of the dust will fall down into the ashtray at the bottom. Good idea to clean that out. Okay, so you might get your vacuum cleaner at this stage and vacuum all the dust from all around in here that's fallen into the grill and on the fire bricks. Now, the next thing is, when you're inserting this bottle brush in these heat exchanger galleries, you're going to push dust forward as you push it in, and dust will come back as it pulls it out. So the next place to check, once you've done these heat exchanger galleries, very quickly, come around the back feet, is the T-piece on the back. You would drop the plate off there or gain access into the T-piece and vacuum the soot out of the bottom there. And here we've got the spigot mounted on the back of the boiler. Just hold the shot on there, please. And that dust that you push forward from the heat exchanger gallery, it'll drop in here, and you can see it there. I'll grab a handful, okay? So you get your vacuum cleaner in there, give that a good vacuum out. And once that's done, it's all clean. The only other thing you would do, everyone, is, and let's go back over to this other boiler, Pete. After you've made sure everything's powered off here, you would get in there and you'd give, seeing as how you're going to open the door up, you'd give the electrodes right here, grab a toothbrush or a brush and give the electrodes a nice clean. As soon as how you've gone to all the trouble of opening the door. That's pretty much it. So just to summarise, bottle brush, personal protection equipment, face mask on, clean out the heat exchanger galleries or ports from the top down.
Switch the power off. Make sure you switch
the power off. We've switched the power off on the toggle, on the burner gun, but we'll turn it off on the controller. And again, to clean under these ribs here, you would remove these fire bricks. Obviously, once you finish cleaning, you put everything back the way it was. Put a vacuum cleaner in there, vacuum all the soot up. Again, you don't have to do the vacuuming in here probably more often than 2 monthly, 4 monthly, 6 monthly, depending on the use. And again, take out the tray in the bottom of the boiler and put that in the rubbish. Okay, that's it everyone. Thank you.